Progress has been made in bringing the Slievenamon wildfire under control. Tipperary County Council said the scale and intensity of the fire had been significantly reduced since yesterday, although it has not yet been fully extinguished.
The terrain on Slievenamon is unforgiving for firefighters. Tipperary Fire Service is using a quarry outside Clonmel as its base for operations. Fire tenders are filling a pit with water. 2 helicopters, one from the Irish Air Corps and one from a private company, continue to fly in relay, repeatedly collecting water before releasing it over the mountains in an effort to extinguish the fire. The wildfire was under control this morning, but as soon as temperatures and fog lifted, it rose up again.
It's so dry, it's like kindling up there. So the heat wave over the past couple of weeks, I suppose, and Clonmel and Tipperary being hit particularly bad with it, it doesn't take much to set it alight. So it's spreading quite quickly, and we have the wind changed again this morning, which aids the development of the fire.
Fire crews from Clonmel, Carrick-on-Suir and Cahir are also at the scene.
That's kind of worrying for us. That's a quarter of our resources tied up with one incident, and we dealt with 2 further incidents like this yesterday, albeit in smaller scales. So from our point of view, we're just very careful where our resources are being deployed. We still have to do our day job, which is dealing with car crashes, dealing with chimney fires, dealing with the run-of-the-mill stuff, and this is on top of it as well. So there's quite a bit of work trying to keep the whole thing balanced, I suppose, really, and also.
Smoke is still billowing on the mountains here behind me, and residents in Slievenamon area are being asked to keep their windows and doors shut for that reason. The public are also being asked to stay away from the area, not to travel on the roadways, to keep them clear for the emergency services. They're also asking people not to fly drones in the area, as they're a safety risk and that they can cause and they can have an effect on the aircraft that are trying to extinguish the flames over the mountains. Emergency services will continue to monitor the situation overnight. Cooler temperatures and the possibility of fog is expected to limit the fire's activity overnight, and emergency services and Coillte will assess the situation in the morning. Sharon.
Midwest correspondent Petula Martin, thank you for that.